A very good morning to all of you guys. It's 6th April 2026. It's Monday, and I'm at my practice place where I do my practice, speaking practice on camera. And this time I talked, I extempo, I mean spontaneous talking. I record myself. So yeah, it's the start of the week. It's Monday, and the morning routine has started everywhere in schools, and many schools and colleges. And I call I my quote also uh, also have the morning time in this season. Although the notice we didn't get uh, yet, we haven't get yet. So maybe the notice we will receive today, and from tomorrow the court time will be changed. It will start 7 a.m. and end 6 in after and end 1 p.m. In afternoon, at the afternoon. So it was quite disturbing because we are used to of living the same routine, and we have, when court our offices or the school starts 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., then we have morning to do ourselves whatever we want to do in mm, our leisure period. So for me, morning is my me time, and I really enjoy my me time. And after coming from in court in a day, so what, it would be earlier, then I don't think I would be enjoying, because the uh, work exertion and sun heat exertion, I might be not able to indulge myself like I do my morning things. So it's, for me it is not good idea, and I will have to go for not only 1 month, for I think it would be for 3 months. So this is the problem I am thinking about. uh, how will I manage time to do things whatever I do in my mornings, like I record this kind of videos, and I read some my things in the morning. I calmly relaxed and I wanted to start my yoga and exercises all, but I don't think I find time to start. And evening it will so hot. Maybe I won't be able to do these things. So this kind of thoughts have captured me. I have been thinking about the how will I manage. So this is what right now coming in my mind. Beside this, nothing is coming in my mind. But I know for period of time after period of time, I would be I would be get to habit of this also, because some are like this morning quote in my association and some are not, but majority of people like this morning session. So see, I will see what will I do for it. So as you know, I have been practicing this my conversation journey since 10th of January, and coming 10th of April it would be it will be finished 3 months. And in these 3 months I have become uh, habituated. I have been habituated of speaking flawlessly. Yes, the way you see, if you see my video, I speak. Uh, I can say it is a natural, because I speak like in Hindi as well. I don't think I have fluency issues, uh, because while speaking, I just even in Hindi, I just think if he, if I am not sure about what I have to say, then I'm making stories, narrating things, grabbing things, what actually I want to say. Then it takes time, and while taking time, uh, there's seems so many loops in my conversation, whether on camera or without uh, on camera while speaking. So I don't think I have the fluency issues. I speak the way I speak in Hindi as well. So my problem is, I want to speak. I want to use more variation grammars parts in my conversation, main filler words and main connector word, sentence and words, phrases in my conversation. This is what I I have been thinking, and yes, definitely I have started searching and practicing on it, because in evening for a couple of days I have been talking about the conditional sentences, the models should, could, would, how we use, and I also mention some words so that I use to I can I can use to of it, and I can use it in my conversation. So I have I have started it already. I have started it. So see what happens, because I have given in almost 3 months, and after 3 months, what will happen, I will see. So I'm thinking that what else I can do, and how can I uh, keep myself more indulged into it, and how can I speed up these things so that I can be able to fluent coming next 3 months. So this is all about for today, because I had nothing to say. Whatever I failed, I just start speaking on this camera, and I need to also uh, change the my voice pitch, because I speak uh, so uh, down that sometimes I feel a struggle to hear myself while watching my video after uploading it. So I need to, if I put this voice, keep this voice in this base, then definitely it would be good. And from now I will focus on this, that I would speak and keep my voice thus this page. So thank you for watching up to now. I will take your leave. Till then, take care, have fun, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.